Twin cities, different worlds. One is a modern town, only 160 years old. The other, an ancient city which was built 2,000 years ago. One is home to a few thousand families and nature lovers, while the other is home to a rich history, culture, and an energetic lifestyle. Verona, Wisconsin, USA. The town of Verona is a very small picturesque city in the south of the state of Wisconsin. There are many quiet neighbourhoods and tree-lined streets there. There are a lot of parks to relax in and great trails for hiking and cycling. There aren't any tall buildings, just pretty houses with big gardens. In the summer, people go swimming in the huge lakes near the town, and in the winter they can go ice skating. In the city centre, there are some very nice clothes shops. There are also nice local restaurants and cosy cafes around the town. Verona, Italy. The ancient city of Verona is situated by the Adige River in the north of Italy. It is a large cosmopolitan city, and it is famous for its ancient city walls, towers, and bridges and palaces. Thousands of tourists walk around the narrow streets in the summer. They can shop in the fashionable boutiques and at the local markets. They can even see Juliet's balcony. Verona was the home of Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet. There are also a lot of restaurants that serve local or international dishes, and trendy nightclubs and cafes. Verona is an exciting city for both locals and tourists.